Hello everyone, welcome to another special video for ChatGPT 4. In this video, I will show you, can GPT-4 use images? Now yes, actually GPT-4 can use images, and this is basically how you can use images and image prompts in GPT-4. So if you go here to OpenAI website, if you scroll down here, we can see the visual input right here. We have this, and as you can see, GPT-4 can accept images as inputs and generate captions, classifications, and analysis right here. As you can see, what can I make with these ingredients? And then you have the input of an image with eggs and flour, right? And then as you can see right here, it basically gives you the output, right? So basically for each image, you can get the output, or you can actually get a description of an image, which is awesome, right? For example, this is one example of how you can use this, right? What is funny about this image? Describe it panel by panel. And as you can see, there are three different panels, and GPT-4 actually describes the images in panel 1, panel 2, and panel 3 because there are three panels. It also has the humor inserted in, which is really good, right? If you want to use it. So can you use GPT-4 with images? Yes, you can use images in GPT-4. This is just one example of how you can do it. Again, OpenAI gives you, one example right here as well. But you can try it yourself. Obviously, you need to have a plus plan to be able to get GPT-4. So make sure to subscribe to the plus plan, which is $20 a month. Other than that, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.